Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to know if someone deactivated this Snapchat or not. If you want to see it, then first of all, go to your Snapchat application and hit on the chat. Then, if the person that you are searching for is not in the list, that means they have deactivated or blocked you. So you can also click on the profile and check it. Once you have done this, you can also go to your friend list to check if they have deactivated their account or not. If they are still on your friend list, that means they haven't deactivated their account. The other thing you can do is search their name in the searching bar. If that arises, that means they have not deactivated their account. So in this way you can find it out. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.